Welcome, Paul Yep, the Punisher. This is the battle of the big boys. And his opponent, representing JMC MMA, Sunshine Factor! Scheduled for 3 rounds in the heavyweight division. Our turn is forward in this bout with Agustin Chico Boy Wonder Judo and Check the Jackal Ferrer. And also our referee, heavier than a sledgehammer, the one and only JB Sledgehammer Monteola. Stating the rules, take your quarters and show. 3 rounds in the heavyweight division.
Go, Paul.
This is round number 1.
Boom! 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 Oh! Lakasan mo, Paul! Boom! Boom! Pagod na si Paul, putang ina. Boom! Boom! Palasan mo, Paul! Puta ka na! Boom! Takot na, di na puruan. Shit. Palasan mo, Paul! Pagod na, pagod na, pagod na, pagod na, pagod na. Boom! Tak! Dito na mo. Boom! Boom! Tama! Boom! Boom! Wala! Tumba na yan! Putak na na dito. Paul! Boom! Lakasan mo, Paul! Boom! Pagod na, putang ina. Boom! Boom! malakas! Dugo na, dugo na. Padugo mo, tanga. Wala nang guard to. Boom! 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 Tangina, boom! Boom!
That's an exciting fight if you ask me. How about the Emerald Fighters? Eh man, cardio mo na, cardio.
Galing ni Paul eh.
Galing. Sam Abbott versus Mark Hunt. You gotta admire the chin. Look at that. Away sa lahat lang. Galing. Sheila, para tayo maro, ha? There you go. As we go to round number 2. Do you want some more? Seconds out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is round number 2 in the heavyweight division.
Pagod mo. Pagod mo.
Napatayo si Luis Manzano, nasa camera. Exciting.
Yung dalawa. Pasok ng pasok ang jump. Boom! Boom! Tangina, di pumasok! Sayang, puta! Sayang! Babol, sa pa! Boom! Sa babal! Wala na, grogi na. Pareho na pagod, pareho na pagod. Boom! Dugo na talaga! Bugbog na eh! Boom!
bout is over. It's up to Team Lipa, Red Jim from Lipa, Batangas. Sabi ni Luis Zeb. Is this due to our doctor stoppage?
Ay, si Luis, oh.
Pero pagkakas sila mga kaibigan, the heart that they have shown, the jaw that they have shown for both fighters. But first, let's wait for official results right now. Our winner, due to referee stoppage at the end of round number 2, for our heavyweight match winner, Red Team Paulia! There you have it. Exciting MMA action here at XS. Brought to you by Submission Sports League Philippines. Once again, this is Fight Club. Palakpakan natin sila mga kaibigan, all our fighters. Let's give a round of applause to all of our sponsors. Once again, to Booster C, No Fear, Access Super Club, Ultimate Fitness Metro One, Hayabusa, Seika, to our judges, Paul Agustin, Chino Yulo, Jack Ferrer. Once again, to our referees, June Gayoso, and our birthday boy, JV Montinola. My name is Rico Robles. Once again, enjoy the night and keep on fighting with the music of DJ Rodney.